Let me show you how to mine free Torium Network token airdrop. So before we get into the details, I'd like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. With that said, I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page, and when you click on it, you find yourself here, the Torium Network web page. So it will tell you that your friend invited you to Torium, that's me. So you have to download Torium and start mining. So they have an app. It's actually on Google Play Store. So you can click on the copy button that you find here to copy my invite code to the clipboard, and then you click on get it on Google Play. You'll be redirected to the Google Play Store page, so you hit the install button there. While that is installing, let's check the about this app page. So it is said to be a mobile cloud mining app, right? So you mine daily and collect rewards. Welcome to Torium Network, your mobile cloud mining app. Start your cloud mining journey directly from your phone with zero hardware setup. Torium Network is designed to make mining accessible to everyone. Sign up and begin collecting Torium Coins, that's TOR, through daily activities. You can check the key features of the platform, which includes mobile cloud mining daily rewards, boost your speed, fast and secure real-time tracking, community, right? You can go through all of this at your convenient time and pace. The latest version was updated on the 18th of May 2026. App has been downloaded. Let's open it. And it says welcome to Torium Network. Turn a few taps a day into real TOR rewards. So you click on continue here, click on continue again, and get started. So we're on the sign in page, and since you do not have an account, I'm going to click on sign up. So the person that invites you, the code is there. So I want to sign up with email. So I click on sign up with email here. But in the event that you want to continue with Google, that's by signing in with Google. You click on sign in with Google, but I always prefer signing up with email. So I click on that. Here you will provide your email address. You choose the password. You solve a captcha, and you click on continue. A code will be sent to your provided email address. So you log into your inbox. You copy it up and you paste it here, and you solve a captcha, and you click on verify. Your account created, so you click on open Torium app. New boost system, 5 boosts per hour, stack up to 120 boosts per day. Got it. And here we are on the home page. It says I've got 10 TOR. That must be my sign up bonus chilling in my wallet. So let's click on the axe here, and we are mining. The session will last for 12 hours, after which you can come and enter a new mining session. And my current mining rate is 0.8 TOR. So let's explore, right? We are at 0.8 TOR per hour. So it means the project has been on for a while, right? So it means they have attained like 200 million users. So from 0 to 100 million, the reward was 3.2. The base rate moved to 1.6 when they hit 100 million, and now they have hit 200. So this is not too late. It's a good time to mine, right? So the next halving will be at 85.9 MTOR. So here it says it's in era 3. Let's see what that means. How halving works. Every 100 million TOR mined globally, the mining rate is cut in half. Okay, got it. So let's kindly go back to the home page here. So on the home page, you can enable notifications if you want them on. You can complete social tasks here. So you have 9 tasks available that could earn you 159.5 TOR. So you have to follow on X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Telegram. So you go take them one after the other and amass free TOR for yourself. So for any of the tasks that you want to participate in, you just click on it, this arrow here. Share a TikTok video about Torium, share an original TikTok video, and you receive 25 TOR. And the rules are as follows: video must be original and mention Torium, video must be publicly visible, 1 submission per day, same URL cannot be submitted again, fraudulent submissions will result in a permanent ban. So after creating the video and sharing on YouTube, copy your link and you paste it here, and once approved, you receive 25 TOR token. There is the Twitter task. So here you have to share a post, follow Torium, and add TOR to your name. So those are the tasks. You might want to look them up closely and complete them one after the other, right? There's the leagues here. Your league spot is being prepared. Keep mining, completing tasks, and bringing qualified referrals. If this season has room, we will place you into an open bronze group. Otherwise, you will join the next season. Alright, so those are the things you need to do to up your game in the leagues. There is the social here. Welcome to Social Hub. Be kind and respectful to everyone. No spam, flooding, or repeated messages. No FUD. Got it. Let's check the wallet button here. So let's create a wallet, generate 12 word seed phrase, and get started with the Torium Network testnet. Your keys never leave your device. Just click on create wallet here. So your seed phrase will be displayed. It's your duty to copy and keep it safe. So after saving, you come back and check this box. I have safely saved my seed phrase. Click on continue. So now you have to verify, right? So you will be asked to enter some particular names. In my case, I'm asked to provide name number 2, 4, and 5. So after confirming, your wallet will be created and you will receive 3,200 TOR. That's testnet Torium tokens, right? And let's go back to the home page. What haven't we touched? You want to enable notifications? You can do that right here. Let's click here. So here you can actually change your name, create a username, reset password, and so on and so forth. So this is basically everything about Torium at a glance. You might want to do your research, but this is what we can do at the moment. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.